By Marico, target of 562 rupees, current price 488. Revenues grew at CAGR of 6% over financial year 2016-21, affected by multiple events such as demonetization, implementation of GST and the COVID-19 outbreak, which put regular brake on the growth in past few years. To achieve steady growth, the company took several strategic initiatives. One, build a strong value-added hair portfolio, straddling the pyramid. 2. Branded Saffola edible oil as one of the healthier cooking oils in India. And 3. Scaled up foods business with sustained new product launches. 4. Enhanced its focus on improving penetration in the rural market. And 5. Better growth prospects in key international markets, including Bangladesh and Southeast Asia. These initiatives played a key role in strong recovery post-disrupted in first quarter of financial year 21, helping Marico to achieve 10% revenue growth. Parachute coconut oil and Saffola edible oil registered a volume growth of 6% and 17%, respectively, in financial year 2021. The foods business crossed Rs 300 crore mark and is continuing its journey to become a 500 crore business by financial year 2023. Value-added hair oil sales stood flat in financial year 2021. However, the medium-term outlook is strong with market share gains and strong traction in new launches. Wahoo category is expected to clock double-digit growth in the medium term. The management has maintained its medium-term target of 8 to 10% domestic volume growth, with volume growth of 5 to 7% in the Parachute rigid pack, high single-digit volume growth in Saffola edible oils, and double-digit growth in the Wahoo portfolio. Market share gains and wider distribution in rural India, scaling distribution reach by 25% per annum, would help the company to achieve steady growth in the medium term. International business is expected to grow in double-digit, with non-coconut oil portfolio is expected to perform well in Bangladesh and recovery in growth in the markets such as Southeast Asia and South Africa. Copra prices corrected by 15% from its peak in April and are expected further correct because of better supply in the market. Further, edible oil prices are expected to stabilize and correct in the quarters ahead. This would lead to raw material inflation stay flat in financial year 2022 and be lower in financial year 2023. This, along with price hike of 9% in Parachute and 50% in Saffola edible oil, would lead to sequential improvement in OPM. On the balance sheet front, the company's net working capital days reduced by 18 days. And cash flows from operation improved by 712 crore to 1,682 crore in financial year 2021. Cash and cash equivalents stood at 1,707 crore. View, maintained by with revised target price of 562 rupees, Marico is the market leader in 7 out of 8 categories in presence. It is a dominant player in the domestic hair market and edible oils market on back of its strong brands. The company is focusing on becoming strong play in the food spaces and targets revenues of 800 rupees to 1,000 crore by financial year 2025. Gaining market share in the core domestic portfolio through new launches, scaling up the foods business, and improving growth prospects in countries such as Bangladesh and Vietnam also make a growth levers for Marico in the near to medium term. Inflationary trends are receding and OPM is expected to see improvement from second half of financial year 2022. We expect Marico's revenues and profit after tax to grow at CAGR of 11% and 14% over financial year 2021-23. The stock is currently trading at 40 1x its financial year 2023 earnings. We maintain a buy recommendation on the stock with a revised price target of Rs. 562. Any significant increase in key input prices from current levels or heightened competition in core categories would act as a key risk to our earnings estimates. Subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share if you like the video. Marico is one of India's leading consumer products companies in the domestic hair and wellness market with a turnover of over 7,000 crore.